Chidera, what is it?
You need to come. You need to come with me to the house.
What?
Now, there's trouble, Papa. Let's go.
What is happening?
Papa, let's just go.
Let me take my...
Papa, Papa, let's go. Papa, please come.
What can this
Papa,
girl
come, let's go. Papa, let's go. Papa, run now.
I'm coming. What is it now? These children won't kill me.
Officer, move this man now. Take him into the car. What are you waiting for?
Arrest. Please, move.
Officer, I know they go
Before I will do something you won't like.
Officer, I know they go. If you want shoot me make I die. I know they go anywhere. Yes, shoot me make I die. I know they go anywhere.
Officer, why are you looking at him like that now? Move this idiot out of here.
What's going on, Mike? What is happening here? Mike, what is happening?
Are you asking me that stupid question? Huh? Why are you in my compound with policemen? Stop asking me that stupid question! Huh? Look, your son threatened my life. And as such, he must sleep at the police station today.
Papa, I don't do anything, no. I don't do anything. I don't talk to Ramo.
Officers, move this man. Look, I will call your DPO now. Move this idiot. Why did you report to me that my son threatened you? As in what? You are very stupid. How can you ask me that kind of stupid question? Report to you? Who are you? Eh? Why did I report to you? I have reported to the appropriate quarters, and that is it. Moi? No, not you, idiot. Move this man.
Enough, enough. What is it, self? You are a very, very wicked man.
Very, very wicked.
What did my brother do to you?
I don't do anything, no.
What did he do to you?
I don't do anything.
Did he threaten you?
No.
Liar.
I don't do anything, no.
They say you are talking to me. You know who you are talking to? If you open this your stupid mouth and insult me again, I will arrest you also, and you will sleep in the police cell like your brother.
And in your head, you think I'm scared of you?
You cannot do anything.
Uncle, I will open this my dirty mouth and insult you.
Yes.
I will insult you today, tomorrow, and next tomorrow. If you like, be the masquerade of this town. You are just lucky that these policemen are here. If not, I would have cut you into pieces.
Officer, did you see that? She's threatening me with a machete. She wants to cut me.
You get man.
Uncle, I will kill you. This is reality. It's just because of this policeman. You know what I will do to you.
We get man like you.
Move this man.
We get.
Please.
You're very wicked. Don't touch me. Don't touch me.
Get this idiot away.
Don't touch my brother. I'm not moving anywhere.
Touch me, my sister will kill you.
I'm not moving anywhere.
My sister will anywhere. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. Don't touch me.
See,
don't touch me.
I will slice you.
Don't touch me. Don't touch me.
I'll just slice you now.
Are you fearing me?
We get man like you.
Move him now. What's the problem?
Don't touch me. Don't touch me.
Officers, what are your calls for?
Please, for the last time.
Shoot them if they are resisting arrest. Yes. How can you be scared of machete? Shoot them.
Shoot who?
You.
I will pieces you.
What?
I will pieces starting from this your retired cap.
Why is it?
What kind of policeman are these? You can see and
move. Why is it?
Move. I'm not afraid of you.
Yes, sir.
My friend, I will call your DPO.
Move aside now. Move aside.
Don't touch me.
You are going nowhere.
Move
this man.
Move this way now.
Officer,
move this way now.
I'm not going anywhere.
Cheta, I've decided to go to the city. Sorry. Why are you laughing now?
Why would I laugh? You just talk nonsense now. You say I should not laugh. Okay, you think the city is Nkwo market, where you go and buy a karanokba? Have you been to the city before? Who do you even know there that you are going to meet? Now saying in Naga city. Eh? Are you? Nico, don't even say that again. Look at your leg. You that does not even use bike to cross our village before. You want to go? Papa.
Mama, what happened to you, Papa?
What is paining?
Sorry.
Mama, what happened now? What else? Is it not your uncle? Is it not your stupid, wicked uncle? Look at what he has done to your father. Your wicked uncle Mike. He actually used cane to flog his elder brother out of the farm. Eh?
Wait. Uncle did this to Papa.
God is great.
Mama, have you seen it now? After you be telling us to keep quiet, look at what he did to Papa now.
Ebube, come and help me. Let's take him inside first.
Mama, have you seen now? It's now after you be telling us to keep quiet. This thing is too much.
Okay, Miremaka. Everything is not fine. You never let Lanya. Cheta Chuku. You will not come and help, oh.
Papa, sorry.
Mike, you will suffer for this. I promise you.
Amen.
Oh, this thing is
Cheta
too
Inonga.
much.
Cheta Ikanonga.
Papa, sorry.
Who is that? Don't pull my gate, oh. I'm coming. You're not going anywhere. You think you just enter this company anyhow? You're not going anywhere. Leave me alone. You're not going anywhere.
Leave her. Chief, what are you doing in my compound? Listen to me. I've come to warn you. The next time you touch my father again, you will regret your life. Yes! Useless idiots!
Are you out of your mind? Huh? You came into my compound to threaten me? If I may ask, what will you do if I touch your father again?
Touch him and see what I will do to you. Useless, wicked man like you idiots.
Asondo, go and lock the gate and give me the key.
What?
Now. Come here! Are you this useless? That little thing, you couldn't take care of him? Just to lock the gate! I can see that you are not serious with your job anymore.
I'm serious with my job. I tried to stop him, but he refused. Please don't sack me.
Get out from here before I break your head, idiot!
Where are you going to, Ebube Chukwu? Huh?
Mama, like I told you and Papa, I will be traveling to the city.
Oh. You really mean you want to travel to the city? You really mean it?
Huh? Okay. Who did they go see for city?
Is your girl boyfriend there?
What is going on here?
Oh, that one. Your daughter says she's traveling to the city.
Ibube, you are not stepping out of this place. Yes.
Okay.
Who do you know in the city that you are going to meet?
See, Papa, I've also tried to persuade her not to travel. But she's insisting that she must go. If you ask me, let's allow her go. At least so that one person from this family can cross our village boundary now.
Allow her go. Allow her go.
You shut up. What? People that have sense are talking.
Let it not be what I'm thinking.
What are you thinking?
Make you not be waiting at the thing.
What do you they think?
You have a fan nature.
Jenny nature.
Hi.
Hi.
Come over. I want to talk to you.
You want to talk to me?
Yes. Where are you going to?
I'm going to see a friend of mine. It's not far from here.
Oh, okay. Why don't you hop in so I could drop you?
No. Like I said, it's very close. And besides, I like exercise. So, I'm good. Thank you very much.
But I insist. I would love to drop you.
No, don't bother yourself. Alright? I'm fine. Thank you.
What's your name?
My name is Benjamin Okoli.
Okay. My name is Tina.
Tina. Nice.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah.
But why don't you just call yourself Ben?
Ben.
Yeah.
Ha. Dash me Ben. Okay, Ben. Ben.
Okay.
Fine.
So Ben.
Alright.
No, hold on. I insist. I want to drop you. Please come in.
No, I said don't bother yourself. I'm fine.
I insist. Come in.
I should.
Yes.
Ebube really impressed me with her guts. She is determined. But I'm wondering how she will get to the city. She is ready to suffer for all of us.
Have you heard from your sister?
Again? I've still not heard from her and I'm worried. I'm worried about her.
You're worried about her, Kwaya? Were you not here when I persuaded her not to go? She bluntly refused. Etiko, Settigonu.
Mama, you think it's not a good thing that she went to the city? Mama, do you know what it means to go to the city? It's like someone going to heaven. All we should be praying for now is for God to protect her. Yes, now. Mama, link where?
Oh, kiss it, fear.
Yeah.
Oh, that one. Amen. Elephant houses campo. Amen. God will protect her now.
Amen. Yes, God will protect her. I mean, so I will go to the city. Ha!
All of you are the same. Mama, all of you are the same.
So if I go now and bring car for you, you won't like friends. No, okay, now you are laughing. Let's just be praying for God to protect her. I'm worried. Mama, the number is still not connecting.
Hey,
It's still not connecting. Yeah. Mama, I don't know what else to do. The number is not connecting.
It's not going.
It's not. Ha. Mama, the number is not connecting.
Up till now.
Till now.
How can her number be switched off since yesterday?
Mama, and I had a terrible dream about her.
Is you?
I'm telling you, if I knew where she was now, at least I would just go there and bring her back.
What is the problem?
Hey, nine. Norodo. Ebube's number is still switched off. Oh. Her number is still switched off. Oh.
I know it could be battery issues.
Papa, this has got nothing to do with battery. Her phone was fully charged. In fact, I charged her phone all through the night for her before she left.
Inugonia?
Eh? I just have a feeling something is wrong. Am I wrong?
Nothing is wrong with my daughter. She's well. Look, both of you should stop troubling yourselves over her. Eh? In fact, I am coming. I want to go and see my friend Kuka.
Are you not worried that Papa is not concerned about this?
I don't know what is going on. Your father sometimes I don't understand him. Or should I go and bring my own phone?
Mama, I don't know. Maybe we should call MTN to call her. Since they are not connecting the call, maybe they can connect it by themselves.
Which one is MTN again?
Nebube. How long will you continue like this?
Now I want to hear from my daughter. I want to hear from her. It's been over 1 week she left this village for the city. And nobody has heard anything about her. I don't even know if she's still alive or not. I don't know.
Our daughter is alright. She's fine.
Alright, how? Now you keep acting as if you are not bothered about your own daughter. Eh? Is there anything you're not telling me?
Look, I am bothered. But something inside me keeps telling me that Ebube is fine.
How? And how? How is she alright? And she has not called me her mother. And she has not called you her father. How can she be alright now? You see? I never supported her going home. I never support. Everybody in this house was against her traveling to a strange place. You were the one that gave your full support. You were the one that gave your full support against every one of us wish. Or is there something you're not telling us? Now, is there something you're not telling me? You better start talking now. Because I am not going to take it lightly with you. I am going to go back to my village, tell my own mona, tell my own mother, tell all my relations.
It hasn't gotten to that, Mama.
Where's my daughter?
Look, she is very fine wherever she is.
No. She's not gonna be fine.
She's fine. Don't worry. Let's go inside. She'll be okay.
Akudo, all I'm saying is this. You shouldn't have allowed your daughter to travel to the city in the first place. Why will you do such a thing?
You shouldn't blame me. I tried to stop her, but she refused.
You should have insisted. She's your daughter.
Ikuka, if you were in my position, you would do the same.
I will not. Akudo, I will never do such a thing. Akudo, let me ask you, do you have anybody in the city that she's going to stay with?
I do not have anybody there.
Just look at it. You don't have anybody. And you allow a young girl to leave this town, to go to the city, where she knows nobody. You shouldn't have done that.
Oh. Ikuka. You stop blaming me. What I need now is solution, not blames.
Solution?
Yes.
You want solution? Okay. You know the solution here is this. Go to the city and look for your daughter. Yes.
I should go to the city?
Yes.
To look for my daughter?
Yes, now.
What kind of advice is that?
A very good one.
Are you mocking me?
Me mocking you? Akudo, you told me that you'd lose solution. How is that mockery? Akudo, don't put words into my mouth too. Don't put words into my mouth.
I can see you have nothing to tell me. You are free to go.
No problem. Akudo, go to the city and look for your daughter before it is too late. Don't say I didn't warn you.
Is that an advice?
A very good one for that matter.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon. What are you looking for? I'm looking for Tina. Who are you? My name is Ben. I'm here for an appointment. Wait here, let me call her. I should wait here? Yes. On that sun? Yes.
You needed to have been there.
Okay.
You need to have seen this man. He's so handsome. Are you serious? Yes. He's so cute.
I can't wait to see him. I know the kind of meat you eat.
Oh my God. Girl. He's so tall. Chiseled abs. Pink lips.
Seriously? Oh my God.
Ah! Come in.
There's a man outside. Say your name now, Ben.
Ben.
Yes, ma'am.
Bring him inside. Now. Okay. Be fast. Fast, fast.
You never told me you were expecting him.
Girl. I'm not supposed to tell you everything.
Are you serious?
Oh my God, he's here. How do I get from you? You look good. You're so gorgeous, baby. Come in. Hi.
Hi. How are you?
I'm fine. You're welcome.
Thank you.
Please sit. Meet my friend Gold. Gold, meet Ben, my new friend.
Hi. You're welcome.
Thank you, Gold.
What do you want? Say the word and I will get you anything you need.
I'm okay with anything you offer me.
I'll be right back.
All right.
Go. Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay. 1 second. For your transportation.
my transport, all this money. Thank you. Thank you very much. Higomoto.
I want to spend the weekend with you.
Okay, the jobless. I'm not doing anything. I'm available. Eh?
Okay, so my friend is having a birthday party and I want you to be my date.
I'm already your date. You don't need to say it 2 times.
Go.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Is this? Take this crap out of here now!
You call my car a crap? Are you high on cheap drugs? Who are you?
Who are you? I should be asking you that question. Get this fuck out of my way!
And if I don't?
I swear to God, you will regret.
You are too small. Get off my way, you crappy, creepy, slimy, dumbass fool! Get off my way!
Bitch, get out of my way! Do you know you're blocking me?
If those filthy hands of yours as much as touches me one more time, you would regret your entire existence.
Do you know who I am? I own this city! And I am telling you to get out of my way!
Oh, please get lost. Get lost. You are wasting my time.
Get lost, you two! Get lost! You should get lost! And listen, you will not forget in a minute. No! Step down! Get lost! No! You won't come and pass through this way. Are you crazy? Aren't you seeing how the other guys are coming together? You want to come on, we don't take this stupid thing out of my...
Akudo, I am here to warn you and your wife.
Okay. Huh? Moka, what are you doing here? What have you come to do here? Did you not tell us to stay away from you? What are you doing here?
Look, if you ever interrupt me again when I am talking, not to talk of calling my first name, I will deal with you. She's right.
Mama.
Yes, her question is right. I really do not understand why you are here. Because you were the one who said we should not come close to you again. So why are you here?
Exactly.
If I told you not to come to my house, does it mean I cannot come to this thing you are calling a house? Call it a Now, let me tell you. My mission here is to warn both of you about your son, Obiora. I have condoned his excesses enough. This time around, I will deal with him mercilessly.
Which Obiora?
Your son.
My own son?
Yes.
What did he do to you? Look, you cannot do him anything. Mike, you cannot do anything. Yes.
Come. If you open that your dirty mouth again and challenge me, I'm going to eat you raw. Michael, what did you just say? I have just told her, if your wife challenges me again, I will consume her alive.
Mike, I dare you to do your worst.
Yes.
Do your worst in my compound. Do your worst.
Look at this Anto. Look at, I will strangle you. Michael, I say get out of my house now. I say get out of my compound now. Get out of this compound.
Get out. It's a command.
You are asking me out of this your ramshackle building?
Call it anything.
This thing? Just get out.
It is a command. Get out.
It's all right.
On your roller.
We shall see.
Wicked man.
We shall see.
Get out. Get out. Oh.
We shall see.
On your roller. Get out. Oh. On your roller.
That's it.
On your more. You thought we don't have a house. You thought we don't have a home.
At least
Oh, you didn't know. You thought it was easy. You didn't know you would fall into our trap. Ekwensu. Ekwensu!
Akudo is daring me. Akudo is daring me. Hey! I will show him the stuff I am made of. A titled man like me. The wife assaulted me in his presence and he couldn't do anything. He couldn't control his family. Oh, Akudo, I will deal with you and your family. Okay. You don't know me. You get long say I know the when he come. I forgive him in body for here now. Who be? You get mind come this house. What did he come talk?
You know the most annoying part? Mama actually said that he told her that he will eat her alive. I'm telling you, that man, anyway, he looks like an animal. What were we expecting?
And Papa can allow and go like that.
What's in it for do?
Papa for call me now.
Call who? Eh? No, call who? You, Efulefu. Shebi the other day police came here. You were busy hanging on to the gates. You could not even fight them until I saved you. You are talking about coming to call you. Huh?
You know, say that in no one comfort.
No, but you have to start owning up as a man.
Have you?
No.
No. Why you gonna give me ginger?
Who is that? A car has never driven into our compound except that wicked man's car.
Abi?
Yes.
It's not to have the reason. Am I dreaming?
Abi, Uncle has started bleaching.
Uncle come to this place?
Did you see anybody that comes here to visit us again?
How are you?
Give me back! Give me your name.
Hey! How are you?
Nah, good afternoon.
Oh, Nandi.
Sir?
How are you?
Very well. Good afternoon.
Afternoon.
Nah, your daughter is back. Oh.
Which of my daughters?
Your daughter, Ebube.
And she came in with a very beautiful car. Huh? My Ebube came with a car.
Yes, nice.
Yeah. Nine.
Nine. Hey! Hey, nine. Nine. Hey, Obiora! Hey! Nine. And this is good news, Musiri. Nine. 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 Hey! Somebody help me out! Hey! Nine. Nine. I'm gonna be for. Nine.
I'm getting something happy that I don't want to follow.
Osandu.
Oga?
Who is there? Let him come.
Chief.
What are you doing in my compound? I don't allow people to come to my compound uninvited.
Chief, something terrible just happened.
I don't allow people to come to my compound uninvited. So whatever happens, why are you here?
Your brother Akudo is dead.
My brother Akudo is dead?
Yes.
And so?
You are his only brother, so I came to inform you.
Will you keep quiet? If he's dead, then you have to come to my compound. I said, get out.
Chief, I said Akudo is dead. I'm not joking.
I heard you. My friend, get out of here. Is it the first to die? People die every day.
Chief.
Osandu. Okay. Come and throw this idiot out of here. Nonsense. Get out of here. Akudo is dead, so I should kill myself too. Is it the first time people are dying? People die every day. Akudo is dead. Idiot.
You are wicked in somebody, a question meregi, embarrassing one negi. You are wicked in somebody, a question meregi, embarrassing one negi. You are wicked in somebody, a question meregi, embarrassing one negi. You are wicked in somebody, a question meregi, embarrassing one negi. Echem nasi wanne marokwa wanne ya. Echem no bo for bala no feliri. Echem nasi fedika wanna kona mo. But in your own case, is different. In your own case, the people want more. Help your own, you said no. You're a one negaka, is him bo. Organic meragio, Ejiwebo Yasi. Organic meragi, Ejiwebo.
No.
What am I doing?
No, good afternoon.
Namdi.
Eh?
How are you?
Very fine, sir. What kept you? We've been waiting for you. They asked me to call you and Chief.
Who, Chief?
Yes.
Namdi. Chief practically chased me out of his house when I told him that his brother Akudo is dead.
Now. Why?
I don't know. Immediately I told him that Akudo is dead. Do you know what Chief asked me? He asked me then, what? That will he die because Akudo is dead? That I should leave his house. As we are still talking, he told his security man to push. The security man practically pushed me out of his house.
Why would Chief do this? Should I go to his house?
You better go. I will wait for you here because I don't know what I'm going to tell our kinsmen. Maybe he don't like my face. Maybe he will like yours. I don't know what happened. Go, let me wait for you somewhere.
Okay,
so that we have something to tell our kinsmen when we get back.
No problem. Let me go.
Okay, now.
Somebody that you don't
just tell him. I don't know what I did to do that to you.
Obi, you know say this man get hand, know wetin do your papa.
Everybody know now.
Because I go this man house. This man release dogs for me.
Etiko.
Bingo na be this man lu 50. Chip aja. Name no also.
Ezioku? We two don't go in house like more than 3 times. You know what this man do? This man go tell him gate man say make them no open gates for us.
That means say this man they dodge you now.
In the dodgers now, everybody knows in the dodgers. But that one I own business. My sister Ebube don't vow say, you see this one? This one go must choke out. He no go free. He no go ever go free. Yeah?
You know what's in the funny? How your sister take get this connection? We give her so much money.
My brother. She talk say she meet one man we connect them to one Chinese company. As they connect them now, so the company come make her the distributor now with the distribute things. But then so she can't begin to distribute. You know, say if they work now, your level go they come up.
Now.
So she can't distribute. My sister level come high. the level where my sister dey now. The kind of money where my sister gets, they even fear me. I don't tell you.
This one surprised me.
She said she even if she dey go back, say she go carry Cheta go back.
Cheta kwa?
Say she and Cheta go follow go back.
Why they won't carry Cheta? What did do you? Huh? That's what they use you. They here they do. But they carry you go. You don't need money.
Calm down, calm. They know they use me. I carry my sense. They do everything what they do. You know, Sabi the only son, and my mother village. She talk say she go open business for me. One mighty business. Where I go they manage. She they take care of my mother. And they go still marry for. They go say they go still marry for me. Eh? So anything what I want, they go they do it for me. If now money, they go give me money. Once they marry for me now, I go born like 10. Children go yap everywhere. Get even now, come see. It's just fine, you see.
They will marry for you.
It's not Bokoko.
They will marry for you.
Or what you see, drug man. See, they don't want you to say if they talk to me, they put small respect. Now level don't high. My sisters are millionaires. In fact, billionaires. So any mistake now, I go just make up from headquarters. One day, I got to get in a hills.
Eat away gun powder.
Who check it up?
The truth be say, this still pay me because your papa know dey to enjoy all this.
My brother. Man. Oh, wetakwamu. Oh, wetakwamu. Hey.
Ndo na waka kwuru okwu nna gị kịta owutewe gị. Cool down, love you. What's the meaning of this nonsense? Huh? Hey, baby. Why are you blocking me?
I'm so glad to have met you right now.
For the last time, get out of my way.
I know you killed my father. And that is why you've been avoiding us.
Your father knows who killed him. Now, if you try this nonsense one more time, I will show you what I've made of. I will show you who I am.
You must be a fool and a liar to think you will go scot-free after all you did to my family. Chief Michael, whatever your name is, you must pay dearly for everything you did to my family. Mark my words. What gave this girl the impetus to block me? I will send her to where her father is if she tries this thing. That little brat. What gave her the impetus to block my way? And by the way, how did she get so wealthy all of a sudden? Something must be fishy somewhere. No. I have to find out the source of her
wealth and block it. I can't have her challenge me in this community. Never.
I'll miss you.
I'll miss you too.
Hello. Obiora. See, I need you to take care of Mama. You know you're the only one in the house now. Oh, take care of her. Obiora did this, Obiora did that.
It's for me to take care of her now.
I trust you.
God bless you.
Amen. Amen.
Opopoge na mbatage chuga na agozi gi.
Amen.
What if for na ga emegi onwe ka bro maka gi. But get waiting I want to tell you. I just say make I remind you. You know that promise where you promised me last time?
Which promise?
You remember? You promised me say you go carry me go city. Yes. You know say this village where I dey now. Young boy like me go wake up in the morning, I no go to do anything, I go just dey. You get a CB now. I do not be waiting guy man go to do now.
I understand. See Obiora, it's not a problem. It's good as you're learning this trade now. When you're done learning now, wire you big money.
Okay?
You will start it in a big way. Don't you trust your sister again?
I trust you now.
That shows that I don't want you to be following all these small girls. Do you understand?
Where this one from come now? Now you they talk this one. I've been at Cheta tell you this one where they talk now.
Cheta is really trying to tell you to be careful of girls. Obiora, women are very dangerous. And if you leave them, you go very far in life.
And I'm
take care of yourself. Let me start going.
So bad. Okay, now ma. Obugi na mbata.
Ozu konya bele.
Ngozi gare eruga ka.
Ozu gozi ene bere.
Bello!
Jukes, my man.
Ben!
If you want wrong,
I swear to God, if the son don't know the paper, don't enter the person what to. Bello! No, they call me that name now. Call me Benz. They got see I'm now. Benz. With your mind, they tell you. Double Benz.
I swear.
See I'm now. They play the show.
Oh, more. Ben!
I swear, guy, you're the hottest guy in the city now.
They not tell you. See, for the full city now, na me be the only man where they hot. Na me be the man on fire currently. My voltage, it's too high.
I didn't see him.
Nah, was a Benz now.
My guy, I take up see Ben.
Hi bro. Tina want use money finish me. Tina they finish me with money. She want spoil me. She changed my life automatically.
I can see.
Look at me now.
I mean, for she to just leave your car for you, man. Guy,
this one small now. You never even see anything. You never see anything.
Guy, show me road though. I swear.
Bro, make I tell you, I be one even using you. You know, say if my guy where.
Yes.
You could just try hook yourself up with one of these girls. See, bro, they get money.
I swear, their doings they off me.
See, bro, not be like that. It's not working me with those girls. The question is, what are they doing? What do these guys do?
My auntie now, she's a clearing and forwarding agent. You know that kind of business now.
Yes.
Nah. But waiting no can clear. What I no can understand. Those girls, they change men like water. I swear.
Those girls?
Her friends now.
Including your own Tina now?
No! My Tina. Tina cannot. Tina can never. She won't try it.
Are you
But
sure?
for you, this girl love me mad. She love me die. She's so obsessed about me.
Omo, look at you,
Make I tell you, man, I play you tape. You see these Benz where you see like this. You know, say na her car. So she won't buy new one. So I go retain this one.
Na lie.
Say na lie.
Na lie.
How they play?
Ben, no!
Benz. Double Benz.
Omo, this girl is spent on you. Look at you now. Look at you.
Do you even know how much Tina spent on me the last time I went to the boutique?
How much?
We shut everywhere down, bro.
How much?
Hey, my sugar is calling. My sugar is calling. Hello, sugar. Oh, come on, baby. I will soon be with you, all right? Yeah, I went to pick up something. Come on. Don't miss me too much. I'm coming. All right. That's my baby. Yeah. So how far now, choose go be oh.
You just won't leave me like that?
Nah. You don't know who called my sugar. I need to go and attend to her. We go see, we go reason. Ben, I go put you on.
You don't reach like that, though.
Man, relax, calm down. I go
Ben, low.
No, nah, I've told you. Call me Benz. Man, I'll put you on. Bro, I'll put you on. You're a lawyer guy, I'll put you on.
More. Ben. Ben, I swear they envy you. Hello! By your own, oh.
I am yet to believe that this mansion belongs to my sister Ibube. Just within a year, she was able to acquire so much wealth. She even said she has secured many plots of land in the city.
Owns this house. Cars. Eh? Hi. Look at our compound. It's even bigger than our village square where we have meeting. Look at again.
Excuse me. I'm going towards my office. Excuse me, any problem?
No, who are you?
I'm the GM, as you know.
Which GM?
The general management.
Oga, keep quiet.
No verse. I don't get issue. I don't ask you get any problem.
Oga, there is no problem. So I can't take a look around my sister's place again. Eh?
You have the full right to look everywhere, go through the edifice, everything, but you know, say you are JJC, you just come. I know they observe you, they observe. You don't reach gate now. Before you go outside now, they go run you street. That's it you do. Just open your eyes. So I've been saying whether you need something, I go run out for you. So that may they used to the place before you begin go outside.
respond to this retired monkey. Eh? Babu, what is your business? What is your business? Okay, close your nose. Yeah, because shift to go to come they go to my sisters.
I gotta say, madam, sister, you insult me from my office again. I don't want to
say, they don't tell you where I come from. They don't tell you where I come from. Hey! Hey! Gate, higher than the wall of Jericho. I hope this girl is not an arm robber.
This is almost midnight and my sister is not yet back. This has been her routine since I came here. Each night she comes home with different men who she always introduces as her friends.
Hold on.
You're not even answering me. I've been worried about you. I've been off here waiting for you to come back. Every night you go out and you don't come back until late.
Enough! Meet Ike. Ike meets my sister. Ike is my friend.
Hi.
Hi, Kwa friend. I'll be upstairs. I need to freshen up. In case you need anything, meet me upstairs. Honey, would you be needing food or drinks? Do you want anything?
No, I'm fine.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay, let's go.
Let it not be what I am suspecting. It was sure no one had work on this city. Are you sure she's not into prostitution? But why is her own different? She brings her men. I thought they go out to meet the men. I have to tell Mama about this. Mama has to know what is going on. She has to.
Darling, what is keeping you?
I'm coming, honey. Good morning, Peter. Good morning. How was your night?
We thank God. Fine.
Okay.
Good morning, Cheta.
Good morning.
I might not be coming back tonight. I have a meeting with my board of trustees. So I endeavor to lock the whole house. Okay?
Alright, let's go. Sorry. Can I talk to you, please?
Okay. You can wait outside.
Alright.
What's going on? When I was coming to the city, you told me that when I get here, you introduced me to the kind of business that you do. It's been 2 months since I got here. Nothing, no man.
Wait, is that why you've been wearing a long face?
No, it's not about me wearing a long face. I'm idle. If I wake up in the morning, I clean table, clean chair, watch TV, eat food, I sleep every day. It's no good now.
Hey. Cheta, see. If you're tired of staying here, you go back to the village. Ilano, you're not even grateful that I brought you from that dungeon. Yes, see, don't try me. And I've been respecting you because you're my senior sister. I've noticed you've been poking your nose into my business. Don't try it again, no. For the last time, don't try it. Nigga can't see in a village, butter. Anna cho ke megi mado. It's in a village. Ngwana village.
Excuse me. Hey. Kwano. Mama Wucheta. If is pointing finger at me, warning me. Mwa Cheta. Chetachi. Kebube. Chori me mad. Hey! Okay.
Obiora, let me go. My mother will soon start looking for me.
See, Amaka, there's something you don't know. Eh? See, you see they use that eye of yesterday to see me now. See, this old girl where you see now, eh? Don't be that old girl where you know yesterday. This guy now, they control me. Money too much. He go na hang him around up. Eh? See, just tell me. Tell me anything you want and I go run am sharply. Just tell me. Eh?
I know all that, but that's not what I'm saying.
You see? Okay, my chacha. You know what? Just tell me anything you want. Eh? Damia, are you scared or something? Are you shy? Just tell me and I go run out for you immediately. Baby, call me Obi Money.
Obi Money.
Call me Obi Money.
Obi Money.
Take it?
Thank you.
Yeah? You're welcome, huh? See, huh? Call me Ikwata Umasa.
Daddy, you turn to snake.
And I'm ready to turn to snake because of you. In about 1 million. In about 1 million, I'll put up wherever. See, 7 o'clock on the dot. Eh? If you are near me, I can really zoom on all. Do you mean about Bobo? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. If I fall out, you know, but all the fresh, you got to talk forever. Oh, big hour, green. Hey! Obila, give me my own small money now. Give me something.
What is it? What is it?
Obila, don't tell me.
See. If now what you do for this village now today, monitor me. You go dey very careful. You go dey very careful.
I beg.
Don't take yourself. You go dey monitor me.
I see what you give this girl. I see the hood amount where you.
I take concern you. See, you very careful with me. If I slap your mind, if I slap
you,
I go slap your face now. You see, you go very careful with me. Why you go there? Very careful. What did they worry?
What did they worry? Meow. Meow. You don't see woman now, you don't stay busy. You don't know me again, Abi. Eke Black.
Hello.
Hi, good afternoon.
Good afternoon. I am Diamond. What about you?
My name is Cheta.
Cheta. Beautiful name for a beautiful girl.
Thank you. Thank you, ma.
Now, don't you think it's too harsh for a damsel to be standing under the sun? Why don't you hop in and let me drop you off?
Where I'm going to is not actually very far. And a cab is waiting for me.
Of course, I know you're waiting for a cab. But it will do me good to drop you. Okay? Come on.
Okay.
Come on in. Sorry, my bad. I'm supposed to open the door for you. Alright? Come on.
Thank you.
Hey! Come here. Come here. This way. And where are you coming from?
From the market.
Excuse you? You went to the market for over 2 hours. Who do you think you're talking to?
Wait, Chuku, where else will I go to if not the market? You and I know that I went to the market to buy some food stuff. I went to the market. I don't understand why you're raising your voice at me.
You don't understand.
I don't understand. You know I went to the market. Hey, Puppy. Why did you slap me?
I slapped you because you don't understand. You don't understand that I am the rich one and you are the poor one. You don't understand that I feed you, I clothe you, and I gave you a roof over your head. What do you mean you don't understand? Listen, I call the shots. Whatever I say, you do. And the next time you do otherwise, I will skin you alive. Idiot. And I'm going to slap you if you try this nonsense again. The next time you go out of this house and come back whenever you like, you will see the other side of me. Poor thing.
Hey, Mike. Michael, it will never be well with you. I will call him. He will not fear. I'm not medical.
My name is Madam Martina. The one you killed her husband. Onyaruala. What is your business? How I got your number? Is your number getting? Is your number that important? Look, let me tell you, it will never be well with you for killing my husband. And if I don't, what will you do? If I don't get out of it, what will you do? Look, Michael, I wish you were here. I would have torn you in pieces. You know my tight dress. From now, because for killing my husband, you will never have peace, oh. Hey! Shut up!
Shut up, Anofia. The whole village knows you are a wicked man. Everyone knows you are the killer. Defend the Wonge Baho. Defend the Wonge Baho. Defend the Wonge. Mike, it will never be well with you. It will never be well with you. The heaven will be against you. The earth will be against you. The ground you are stepping on will be against you. You think everybody don't know? You think everybody don't know? Ritualist. Anofia. Onya Ogwego. Ekwensu. Hey! Don't about Wegeba. Eh? You call the call. Okay, from my car. Hey! As long as I remain a widow, Mike will know no peace. That is why at his age he doesn't even have a wife. Useless man, wicked man, Onyaruala mama. Man, I'm Monsieur Mike. Mike, Nkurakwito, Onyikedi yata abo. Mike, Nkurakwito, Onyikedi yata abo. Iga monyempo. Iwu. Ojaruala eri. Anofia. Can you imagine? Wickedness. Look at everything my husband was doing for me. Eh? This man took away my joy. Took away my covering. Eh? Took away my helper. How?
Everybody. You have seen what I'm going through. Only me doing everything. Hell, I could not do.
Cheta. Cheta. My friend, stand up from that place. Why are you sleeping by this time? Didn't you hear me call your name since?
I did not hear you. I did not.
My friend, get me a bottle of wine and 2 glasses to my room.
I won't do it.
Sorry?
You heard me right. I said I won't do it. Baby, what kind of life is this? No, what kind of life are you living? This is what you do. Every night you bring in different men. If it is not Peter today, it is Harry tomorrow. I don't understand it. Is this what you do? Is this how you've been living your life before I came here?
I don't understand. Are you talking to me?
Of course I am talking to you. Who else will I be talking to? Nena Wakona. Are you a prostitute?
Did you just call me a prostitute?
Yes, I called you a prostitute.
How dare you call me a prostitute?
Don't even dare it. This should be the very last time you raise your hand on me. Napwala.
Eh? Else you do what? What will you do? Slap me back? No, Teta, slap me back. Slap me back and let me lock you in the police cell and forget about myself. Idiot. I don't blame you. I'm the one that brought you from that dungeon you really belong. Dirty pig. But I don't need the wine with you.
Hello, babe. I'll call you back. I'm busy now, okay? Alright. I'll call you.
Who was that?
A friend.
Babe, who is Charity? I thought I told you to stay away from these street girls, that they can't do anything for you, they can't help you. Look. I'm sorry, okay? I deleted her number. Babe, you don't need them. Anything you want, I will provide. Just tell me, okay? I'll take care of you. Okay?
It's okay.
You know I love you. And I don't want you to break my heart. Promise me you won't break my heart.
I promise I won't break your heart.
Really?
Yes.
You know I told you that I will love you finish.
Yeah.
Hello? I'm fine. Alright. Thank you. Okay. Bye. Come back here. Who is she? Teta, I'm asking you, who is she? I don't know who she is. I just let her once. Eh? Wait. You don't know who she is. And you gave her your number. I said I don't know who she is. See, I will not tolerate such nonsense from you. I see you're overwhelmed with this township you came to. Eh? The next time you try it, I'll bundle you back to the village. Stupid girl. Beating that confrontation is not easy.
Cheta! Cheta! Gene, what is it? Why are you screaming my name like that? Did you take anything from this bag? I did not. Ha! What? I'm talking to you and you're trying to walk out on me.
Like what? I'm walking because I did not take anything from your bag.
Then who took it?
Yeah.
I just went to ease myself and I'm back. I can't find the thing I kept in my bag.
What is this thing that you are looking for in case I see it so I can bring it back to you? This girl. There is something not genuine about her. What exactly is she looking for that she cannot see? It will be Etiko.
She has no joy at all. Now she is in the game. She has paid the sacrifice needed. Right now, she's in the game. Bad choice. Bad choice. Jeta, echezokwana. Jeta, don't forget. Remember, everything has a price.
So, here we are. My little apartment. I have no regrets. Come in, come sit down.
The place is It's really, really nice.
Sure. You like it?
I would say that I love it.
Okay.
It's very beautiful.
Fine. That means you like me to show you around.
I wouldn't mind.
It's okay. Come on, let's go. I like this.
Really?
Yes. I bought it when I traveled to France.
Oh, really?
I went to Paris, yes. Come. So, I can like watch yourself. Like I said, it's my little apartment of... Oh, there you are. How are you?
I'm fine, darling.
Please sit.
Who is she?
Oh, she's Cheta. My friend. My new friend.
Oh.
Of course you see my friend. Come on.
Cheta, you're welcome. You're welcome.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Please feel free, eh?
Definitely. So what would you like to take?
Nothing. I don't want to drink.
No. You can't say
No,
that
you have
in
to
my
take
house.
something.
No, I don't. I'm either going to give you, I have champagne, I've got red wine, I've got martini, martell. Okay, let's start with
Red wine is fine.
At least let's toast to this wonderful friendship. Let me get more cups.
Like you here.
Thank you. I knew you're so beautiful.
Thank you.
Okay, so girls, it's a toast to this wonderful friendship.
So we're toasting to good life, right?
Definitely. Okay, ladies, so here to a beautiful toast of new friendship.
Of new friendship.
And then we'll start with our new guest.
Yes.
Yes. I hope you don't mind.
I don't drink alcohol.
Take a little now.
Why exactly? You have to take something.
Okay, I'll drink small.
That's all.
It's okay.
Nicey. Be careful.
Of course.
I love to see you too. I was actually on my way going.
Yes, I can see that. That reminds me, who is Diamond to your sister?
Why do you ask?
I saw Diamond with your sister this afternoon. And I saw your sister entering her car.
Which of my sisters? Cheta, you mean?
I know what I saw, yes.
Excuse me.
What is that, sister? I don't know. Please, let's go inside now.
Sold your soul to the more in exchange of money. You have no conscience. You have sold your soul to the more in exchange of money. You must give no conscience. You have sold your soul for more power in exchange of money. You have no conscience. You have sold your soul to be more in exchange of money. You have no conscience. You have sold your soul
The blood always hot. Blood always hot. The ginger person, the ginger me every time.
Oga, shut up. You be like say you dey find go slap Jesus into your life. You dey crazy. My sister don't come back.
Yes.
Don't think where she come.
No, just no, 2 hours ago.
Did she ask about me?
Yes, no.
Which one be here? I wonder what I dey follow you dey talk. Abeg, get up.
Never long, just 2 hours. Never long.
And where are you coming from?
I went to visit a friend.
And that friend has no name? Chetachi, I am losing it. Where are you coming from?
I went to visit Diamond.
Chetachi, so it's true you were seen with that bitch?
Is it a mere visitation that is making you raise your voice at me?
Yes, I'm asking. Because I don't understand this. Am I not old enough to make friends? I can't choose my own friends. Is it because I'm under your roof? Do you know who that bitch is?
Ha! Bia, Ebube, I don't have time for this nonsense. At all.
You're beginning to get on my nerves. I just told you I went to see somebody and you're raising your voice at me. Jesus! You Chris? No, I ask you. Are you mad?
Listen, I want you the last time.
I told you the next time you raise your hand to me,
I will retaliate. This is just the beginning. The next time you would
try it again. Mabasi, I will dig a grave here, bury you alive. What nonsense?
Chetachi, did you just return my slap?
Oh no, my darling.
I did not return the slap.
I just served you beans. That is what I just gave to you. What nonsense?
I see you have grown wings. Go upstairs, pack all the racks you have in this house. You're leaving this house this minute. I'm taking you back to the village.
Put your hands down. No, look at the person that is taking someone back to the village. You are taking me back to the village as what? Akara that you bought now? You want to go and keep me in the village?
Let me tell you, you don't need to stress yourself. I have my things packed already. I will find my way back to the village. I don't need you to do anything for me.
Because of this shithole you have as a house, you're telling me you're taking me back to the village. And see, this is the last time I'm giving you. The next time you try this nonsense again, see, I will whip this color out of your body. I'm not kidding. Hey.
Awesome. Yeah. Yes. There are items in the boot, okay? Remove them. Take them in. My wife is coming with my son today.
Oh, thank God. I can't wait to see them.
Be fast about it, okay?
Sir, okay, sir. Okay.
What is this, sir? What is this, sir? What is wrong with you, sir?
Oga!
What's wrong with you?
Oga, it's not that, yo. Oga! My salary, Oga!
I'm never. Hello, whenever. Madam, whenever.
What's that?
Obiora.
Okay, cool.
How are you?
Good morning, sir.
Morning.
Welcome, sir.
Mama Gekwan.
Oh, Mama. She's at the backyard.
Please call her.
Okay. Mama! Mama Obiora! Mama! Person wants you here. Mama! Come, I beg. Nah, I want to see you. Welcome.
Mama Obiora.
Oh, good morning now.
Well, all is not well. I just come to inform you that Chief Mike just collapsed in his compound this morning.
What happened to him?
Hope saying don't die.
Well, I don't know. He was rushed to the hospital by some of our people who came out when the gate man shouted and raised an alarm. As I'm talking to you now, he's in the hospital. I don't know if he's alive or dead. But I just come to inform you people, you being the only relation he has.
Kwefu Chineke bi n'eluigwe were ala mere mbe mgbakwasị ya. Onye bi n'eluigwe ogodo ya na-akpụ n'ala. This God that is in heaven, he is not asleep. The gods of our land are not asleep. My hands are clean, oh. I told him for what he did to my husband that he will suffer.
Yes.
This is Nemesis catching up with him. I come the watcher.
Martina, please, I'm begging you. You and your children should forgive Chief Mike.
Forgive waiting.
You all are the same family.
Forgive waiting. Forgive, he never say anything. Ingo must die there. You see that man? That wicked man? He must die there. Mama, I beg, I go somewhere, I beg. I will see when I come back.
Better
make him die there.
The one that died. The one that died. Is it not the human being?
Martina, you people should forget the past.
With all due respect, I was busy. You are telling me that we are one family. Did Mike know that we are one family? Did you go to tell him that we are one family? My husband died. Did you tell Mike that we are one family? If Mike dies, so what? My husband that died, is it not a human being? Bikokwa. I was busy at the backyard before you came. Excuse me.
Hey. Well, what can I do? Their family, they want to, every of you want to die. All of you should die finish. I've done my own.
Welcome.
Udoka, how are you?
Fine, man. Hey, your sister don't go.
What did you just say?
Sister don't come out. She don't carry her bag go.
When?
I bet she tell you. As she just dey come out, she follow. They like convoy. As she dey go, as she drive out, then she carry her box, her bag, everything. She dey come out. Get that time when she give me sense, she no even give me. Then she find me one or two. She just dey do the best. Say she I don't know.
Mama, they call you.
She did not.
She called me, come they ask me whether she at the house. I can't tell her, say I don't understand. She can't verse call the call.
So, what is the matter then?
I try make her call her back, but she no great pick her call.
Okay, have you called Cheta?
I never call her.
Hey, call her now.
You carry your phone there. Mama, hurry, I beg, do quick now.
Her number is switched off. Where else could this girl be?
She's not in the village. Where else could she have gone to? Gosh. I'm not even going to speak to anyone until I sort her whereabouts. I know my mother. She'll be dead worried by now. What do I tell her? Gosh.
Have you heard about Ebube's sister's disappearance? Is she missing or what? Ebube called me last night to tell me that her sister is missing.
How? When? I don't know, but according to Ebube, they've been having issues. And Ebube threatened to send her back to the village. I guess that's what made her leave the house.
If that's the case, why is she worried? Maybe she has gone back to the village.
Village? No. Her whereabouts is unknown.
Wow. Really?
Yes.
Hey. Hi, girls. Hi, babe.
Hi, girl. How are you?
So, what's been happening?
Babe, have you seen your sister?
No. Her phone is switched off.
And you have no idea where she could be?
No idea.
Have you called any of her friends?
Friends? In this city?
Yes. I mean Diamond.
Pụtụ ahịa ka ahịa bụ nkonye o ewu o iyo Igbo na-eche mba o ka nsoro bịara ije nọ n'ọrụ ma ya eke ayeyeyeye ka nsola n'ọrụ ma ya eke jani ya gọọmenti ụnarịgide Hey, Oluebube Chukwu nwa m. How are you, my daughter? How is your sister, Cheta? Hey. Oluebube, why are you sounding like this? What's the problem? Have you forgotten that Cheta is the only sister you have? Hey, Oluebube! Hey, Chineke nna ya, ogenekwa. Mwaka bịakwala ịmapụ m obi. They want to give me high blood pressure. Nke m ga-adịzi n'iche. When I'm happy that my children are in the city now. Chineke nna. Cheta Chukwu ngini. Help Chimo. Where's Obiora? Let Obiora come and bring out her number for me now.
Oh, I don't know. What is it? Who are you? Your late elder brother's name was Akudo. And you are here to know the cause of his death.
Exactly, that's why I'm here.
Anlambio! Number. Huh? The cause of his death is not far-fetched. In fact, the killer of your brother is within you.
Do you mean within my family?
Exactly what I have said. And an appeasement sacrifice needs to be offered with immediate effect. Otherwise, you are going to lose another soul in the family.
Appeasement sacrifice?
With immediate effect.
Okay, what will it take? I mean, what do we need to perform this appeasement sacrifice?
Ugoba. Donga.
She has no joy at all. Now she is in the game. She has paid the sacrifice needed. Right now, she's in the game.
Bitch! Who are you and what do you want?
Well, I am surprised you don't know me. I am Ebube, Chetanna's sister.
Who is Cheta?
Come off it, bitch. You know who I'm talking about. Quit the pretense.
Do you, by any chance, know who you are talking to?
Yes, I am talking to Diamond of the White Sisters Fraternity. And I am aware you are harboring my sister. You have just 2 days to release her. Else, you will face my wrath.
Hold it right there. I do not care about your orders. And who are you, by the way, to threaten me? Who are you?
I am Ebube Money of the Black Queens Fraternity. You have just 2 days to release her. Else, you will regret ever meeting her. Mark my words.
Who is this nitwit to stand in front of me to threaten me? I am going to teach you. You will not forget the order. How dare you
Mama,
No.
if say wetin Ebube talk about Cheta na true, and be say Cheta no do am well o. Cheta no do am well at all. Why you purposely off in phone now?
How can you say that? Eh? You don't need to apportion blames yet. Until you hear our own side of the story.
Mama, how you want to take care from am when her phone is off?
All of you are the same. Is that not the same thing you would have done?
Mama, wetin this wicked man they come to here? Hey. Mama, wetin this wicked man come to here? Huh? Wetin he come to here?
No, wetin he come do here? I want to know first. Wetin he come do here?
Come on first, let's hear from him. Until he comes out before you will know why he's here. Why you may be calling him because you spoil things, so calm down.
Good afternoon, mother and son.
Wetin carry you come here?
I came to see both of you.
See us for what? Wetin concern you, concern us? Huh? Mama, tell this wicked man, tell us to make him leave this place. No, tell this man to make him leave this place. I don't want here. I don't want to see him. I know they talk to me about tell this wicked man to make it here.
Wait, let's
I don't want to see him.
Let's hear him.
What thing can you come here?
How would you know why he's here? Let's hear him out now. Eh? Calm down. Biko, Biko.
Martina, my wife.
Which is your wife? No, who is your wife? Why you don't call him your wife? Wicked man. After I don't kill your husband, Abi. Why you don't call him your wife? Okay, you kill my papa, make you call him your wife, Abi. You won't marry him again. Now why you kill my papa, Abi? Mama, tell this man making leave here now.
I came to apologize.
We don't need that apology. That apology, we don't need that. Carry your motor, they go. I don't want to see you here again. Mama, for the last time, tell this man make him leave this house. Tell her make him leave this house. Tell her.
Can you please hear me out first?
Please leave. Hear you out, what? No, what do you want me to hear? What do you want to tell us? Wicked man, what do you want to tell us? No, what do you want me to hear? What do you want me to hear? Wicked man. If I see you here again, If I see you here again, Mama, if I see this wicked man here again, imagine. This is not the new style where you want to come kill all of us, have you? Now the new style where you want to come kill all of us. You don't call your wife, Okay, you kill my papa. They call your wife, your wife. No, you won't marry him, Abi. You won't marry him. Wicked man like you. Mama, if I see this man here again, I go change that for him. If I see this man here again, go like what I go do for.
He won't even come here again.
Mama, I don't see him here again.
He won't even try it. Looking for wife.
Are you aware that your sister is a cultist?
My sister? Listen, I know my sister lives a rough life, but she's not a cultist.
Come on. Your sister confronted me in front of the supermarket and accused me of harboring you.
She did?
Yes, she did. And she told me she's a member of the Black Queen Fraternity. I didn't want to tell you immediately until I make my inquiries about her.
Wait. Is my sister really in a cult?
Yes. Cheta. Yes. I went spiritual and I found the truth. Your father is dead, right?
Yes, he is, but he was killed by our uncle. What has that got to do with this?
That man, your uncle, did not kill your father. Your father was killed by his own daughter.
Huh? I don't understand. I don't understand what you say.
Don't worry, Cheta. Let me take you to where I will prove what I'm telling you.
She has no joy at all. No, she is in the game. She has paid the sacrifice needed. Right now, she's in the game. Bad choice. Bad choice. Cheta, echezokwana, Cheta.
Hey, Bube, I blame you for everything.
How?
You had the opportunity to stop her the initial time, but you neglected it. You should have stopped her from seeing Diamond.
How was I supposed to know it will end up this way?
I am afraid, because I know what Diamond can do.
Well, I share the same thought with you. But isn't it too late to stop her now?
Not really. First, we need to start by tracing her to her house.
I agree. You know what, let's just get inside first.
I still can't believe what I am hearing. You mean Ebube killed our father? Yet she was busy accusing our uncle.
I am happy that I took you there. If not, you wouldn't have believed me. And the most foolish part of it all is that up until now, your sister does not know that her father's life was exchanged for her wealth.
I don't know how my mother is going to take this. I don't know how she's going to feel.
You don't need to tell her. It's a piece of information for your own personal consumption. Yes. It's a weapon you're going to be using against Ebube.
Hi. I swear to God, I will not spare Ebube. I will deal with her.
There is nothing you can do to Ebube. Ebube has money. Oji raw cash. That is the truth. So all you can do is you make your own money so that she doesn't suppress you. Oh yes. And here am I, ready to do everything for you. I'm going to give you all the money. All of the contacts. So that you can become the most powerful woman on the universe. Come, let's go.
I am out for the sacrifice, no going back, I am ready. Sacrifice must be before you go. Plenty money, I am out for.
Can you tell me where you've been and why your number is off?
Which you're heartless. How can you be this mean? How could you? One word from you and I would tell everybody the source of your income, murderer.
What are you talking about? I mean, what the hell are you talking about?
You want to know what I am talking about? What happened to our father? Ebube Chukwu, you killed our father! And pretend like you don't know what happened to him. You even joined us to accuse Uncle Mike of killing him.
No, Cheta, stop. You need to stop right now. Listen, whoever is feeding you with those information is a bloody liar.
That's what you think. You think I don't know? Well, I will let you know this. Our father's life was exchanged for the wealth the Black Queen Fraternity gave you. Oh, now you know. Huh?
Who is feeding you with all this lies?
Deny it. Deny it that you're not a member of that cult. Tell me you did not kill our father. Huh? Where'd you go? I will make money. I will make so much money that I will drain every little blood you have flowing in you. I will deal with you.
Sacrifice must be before you go. Plenty money, I am out for the sacrifice, no going back, I am ready. Too many commitments in this life.
Tina, did the fraternity have a hand in my father's death? Come on, Tina, I'm asking you.
What exactly do you want me to say? Have you not gotten the wealth that you wanted? Come on, Ebube, by now you should know that nothing goes for nothing.
So my sister was right. How come I didn't think about this?
Ebube, there is nothing to worry about. We also did the same thing. I sacrificed my mother and I also sacrificed my sister. So please.
God. You mean I killed my own father? Why, Tina, why? Why did you deceive me?
I did not deceive you. You should be thankful to me that I removed you from poverty. Stop all this nonsense and brace up. Stop acting like a baby.
I'm finished. I'm finished.
But you at the house now. I see her. I never tell you where I see her.
I say she's not around. And I'm asking you, where is she?
Mama.
Chetachuku. Chetachuku, what is the meaning of this? Why did you bring this evil man to my house?
Mama, hold on. Mama, hold on.
Cheta! Cheta! So you don't serious when you tell me say they got this wicked man house?
Mama, wait. Mama, wait. Can we all just calm down?
Cheta!
Man, get out of my house! Get out of my house! Mama, what's going on? Calm down. At least let's hear him out. Biko. Mbonya. Mama, hear him out. Please. Martin. We don't have to shout. What is wrong with you now? Calm down now. Me, I went to meet him and brought him here. Am I a fool? Calm down. Here.
Martina.
Mama.
If you want me to kneel down for you, I will.
Mama! No mind this wicked man! All this is when they're talking just they pretend! All this is when they do just they pretend! Cheta! Tell this man to leave here! Tell her making their going house! Tell her making leave here! No mind this man! Tell this man to leave here!
What is wrong